So we're having a nice altcoin run this week, so we're going to take a look at it. Welcome to Everything Currency. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Welcome back if you've been to the channel before. Today we're going to talk a little bit about track, take a look at Bitcoin chart. We're going to look at the overall total too. A bunch of interesting things going on in this market right now. You guys know I'm a trader, so I'm having a whole bunch of fun trading some of these altcoin runs right now. Matic had a nice run. We had Band went crazy. Didn't catch that one on the trade, but Band did go crazy with some pretty good news. Shout out to Matic for getting the news that they're going to be one of the blockchains used for Instagram, but also in that post for Instagram they also mentioned Solana too, so I'm not sure why Solana didn't see that same type of hype, but shout out to Matic for that one. So jumping right into the charts real quick, we're going to look at this Bitcoin chart right here first. So let me delete this line and then I'll leave this blue line right here because that's the line that we crossed and I was like getting a little bit excited. So remember I was saying the price could still come back up and come all the way up to here to about 24K. That's this 200 moving average right here. That's the level that I've been watching, but overall I still think if we don't cross this 24K when we get to it, then things can get really dumpy and send us down here. So that's my thesis right now for Bitcoin, so you guys are not confused on what I think is going on right now. This line right here, this 200 moving average, is the most important line right here. Right now it's sitting around $24,000 right now for Bitcoin, so that's kind of the most important level. So let's take a look at this total market cap right here. Now on this weekly chart we can see it looks exactly the same as this Bitcoin weekly chart now, doesn't it? Probably because Bitcoin makes up a lot of this market cap, but this is including the altcoins, so we can expect to see maybe this might go up. Well, we can't expect anything, but this might, getting a little bit of echo, this might start to go up right here, which could send this entire market on a bit more of a nice run right here. Let's take a look at the total three. Now this is all of the altcoins without Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now this one is actually more important in my opinion because this one is kind of showing a little bit more of what's happening in the altcoin market. We got down here to around 340, let's call it $340 billion. We started to bounce, and right now the level that the bearish retest is at $426 billion, and that's where we've seen all of these altcoins which have gotten super beat up. Like I've been saying, they got super ate up. They can recover pretty nice for some nice gains going up, but I don't think this means that the bear market is over at all. I think these are just bearish retests on the way down, because there will be, you know, when there's a dump there will be a pump, and when there's a pump there will be a dump. So right now we're just seeing, you know, these dumps kind of play out into some nice movement right now on these charts, which is fun to take advantage of. Let's take a look at what the homie Kyle Wilson said right here. He said Omi's one of the top weekly winners. That is nice. So we got Dogecoin with 64% this week, Ecomi with 52% this week, Rweave, shout out to them, with 50% this week. We got Loopring with 46%, OKB, Chills and Mean and Protocol also up there. There's a bunch of other coins who also did way better than some of these coins, like Matic and Band. You know, Band did like 200% yesterday, and then Matic did 100 and something percent. So shout out to this altcoin market, looking good right now. That's what I like to see. Right here. So let's talk a little bit about Track, one of my favorite tokens. Looking at Track right now, it's up 20 or 11%. Let's refresh this. Yeah, up 11%, below right now, below $100 million market cap, which is pretty nice to see, because I think that this coin can easily be at $1 billion market cap and then some. I still think we're chasing down VeChain's market cap on Track and then some. One of the reasons why I like Track is because of this tweet right here. He says, while crypto has significantly changed over the years with countless rugs, soft exit scam, P&Ds, pump and dumps, Track has been steadily building behind the scenes with their multi-chain architecture now built out and proven to add value. Soon will be supercharged with DOT. So definitely V6 for track token is coming. Right now we got this dude right here, global manager in risk trade commerce over there at Home Depot. And if you guys never heard of Home Depot, maybe you heard of like Walmart or Long's Drugs. Well, anyways, people like that. Says everyone wants their data protected and everyone wants their supply chain as anonymous could be. What Oregon Trail and BSI and Scan have accomplished is the ability to have competitors share compliance information on facilities that they're doing business with without knowing who are their competitors or what they're doing business with. So this is great right here for, you know, somebody like, hey, you know, Home Depot to share information with Lowe's, where it's information that's good for the overall supply chain and stuff like that without having them mess up any type of competition or knowing that they're buying this amount of product, and all that stuff gets kind of weird and things like that. So shout out to King Bob, the Track Maxi. I'm gonna go ahead and give him a follow right there. Very nice tweet from these guys. If you know, you know. If you watch my channel, then you know about Track. We've been talking about this since it was below a $40 million market cap and even below that. But for a low cap gem on this channel, has to be below a $40 million market cap for that. So waiting on the Oregon Trail parachain to finish their launch and stuff like that. So no evidence found in so in my last video I talked about the MakerDAO co-founder Nicoloya. I'm gonna ruin his name, so I'm not gonna say it, but the police in Puerto Rico said they're awaiting an autopsy, and even though he tweeted that there was some foul play before he died, they said there's no foul play. His body just washed up on a beach, so he was out there on the beach without knowing how to swim, and then he died after he said CIA and the Mossad and the Pellerly are running some type of sex trafficking scam and entrapment outside of Puerto Rico, similar to that whole Jeffrey Epstein thing. That's what he's claiming. He's claiming that his girlfriend was a spy, and he's saying that they'll torture him and stuff like that. Well, yeah, that guy's dead. And the police are saying there's no foul play, so you know, nothing to see there, everybody. You know, nothing. Yeah, so interesting things happening in this market right now. I just like to talk about this stuff because it's pretty interesting, and because, you know, he's a crypto guy. So interesting things going on in the market right now. We're seeing a bit of an uptick in these prices all around the board. So this is nice to see, but overall, like I said, it's just looking like, to me, some type of bearish retest stuff going on right here. Even if we spike all the way up to 560 billion in altcoins to this 13 moving average right here, that is still a bearish retest, and this is the monthly chart, so it could take a while, but that would be a nice couple of months. The Halloween effect is playing out pretty nice right now in this market, so we'll see if this holiday effect for the markets continues to play out for the crypto market and we can continue this run. So some coins that I'm watching right now or one coin that I'm trading right now is of course Matic, but that's looking like the run might be a little bit done. But the other coin is DOT. Oh, my camera is dying. So I'm gonna end this video right there. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. If you guys want me to do a live stream on the channel, just leave me a comment in the comment box. Let me know that you'll show up for a live stream. I want to get some more of those going on right there. Let me know if you guys want me to do any trading on the channel. Maybe we can do some trading together and things like that. I'm here for you guys. Let me know what you guys need in the comment box. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Think positive, and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots. Till next time. Peace.